This is all done. Extra support, new support, and I've reinforced that one up a bit. You can see the extra piece I put in there. There's the new rocker. It's in place. All the holes are punched, ready to be welded. This side of the floor is all done. Just have to grind on the inside a bit. I painted it and then I undercoated it. So should all be good to go now. Strut rod and brace on. That's all done. New bolts. And now the floor is all patched. Do a little cleaning up and grinding. Give it a coat of paint. This section is done.